If you're looking for a quick and easy side dish, try these air fryer breakfast potatoes. This recipe is gluten-free, healthy, and so delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie, and this is where I share easy, real food recipes to help you feel great. And this is one of my favorite recipes when I just need a quick and easy side dish. You can use whatever type of potato you have on hand. I am using small white gold potatoes. I also made this recipe using a mixture of white potatoes and sweet potatoes, and it worked out great. And you can also use whatever seasonings you like. I'm just using a simple mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, but you could add some chili powder if you wanted to make it spicy, or you could add some other seasonings like dried dill or dried parsley. So let me show you exactly how to make these easy air fryer roasted breakfast potatoes. I started with a half a pound of white potatoes that I scrubbed and patted dry. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Next, cut up a red bell pepper, an onion or shallot, and your choice of a small green pepper. Toss the potatoes and chopped vegetables with a tablespoon of olive oil. Add garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir the ingredients to combine and then add them to the basket of an air fryer. Set the temperature to 390 degrees for 22 minutes. Toss the ingredients once during the cooking time. Serve your potatoes hot out of the oven. If you like this recipe, please check out my playlist with other easy air fryer recipes, and I will see you in the next video.